Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode. So this week we're going to talk about a question I get all the time is, should you start with the baby wrapped or unwrapped at the beginning of your newborn session? The first one is, there is no right answer. I can't tell you whether you should start with the baby wrapped or unwrapped. It's pretty much a personal preference amongst photographers, and it's what you sort of like to shoot. So if you like to do a lot of naked baby poses, then obviously you start with the baby unwrapped, or you might leave that towards the end. If the baby's fussy, I always say start with the baby wrapped. So it really depends on every single session. So I have sometimes clients come in and say to me, I want just the baby bare and on the beanbag and like this and that, and they show me images, baby's got no clothes on. So I have to work with the baby unwrapped. But if I find the baby fussy, I'll start with some wrapped shots, then I'll move on to unwrapped. So really, there is no right answer. It just depends on the baby at the time, the way you like to work, and the style of images you're aiming to photograph. Number 2 is, yes, start with wrapped if baby is unsettled. So if the baby's unsettled, definitely start with the wrap. If the baby's awake, you might want to start with the wrap, then move on gradually to undress the baby or unwrap the baby and get them in the naked poses as well. So definitely start with the baby wrapped if you're new as well. That does help build your confidence as you go along. So definitely, yes, I would say start with a wrap baby. I do this pretty much at 99% of my sessions. It's just the way I've built my workflow and the way I work and the images that I want to produce as well for my clients. Number 3 is unwrap if baby is calm. So if the baby's fully asleep and they've just had their milk and then dozed off and it looks like they're going to be asleep for a while, then yes, slowly take the baby's clothes off and start with unwrapped poses. But later on, if you find the baby's starting to be a little distressed, then it's still okay to wrap them and then do that later on. So it really comes down to the baby and what you want to achieve. So there is no right answer for, should I start with the baby wrapped or unwrapped? And it's a common question I hear a lot of my friends who are photographers get asked, including myself. What do you do? What do you start with? So it just depends. And then you start to build a workflow. So that's pretty much it for this week's episode. Hopefully this helped you understand that there is no right way. But if you have any questions based on what I've discussed today, please leave them below and I'll happily answer them for you. And if you haven't already downloaded my free newborn session guide, which is going to give you some ideas on how to wrap babies and how to work with babies from the start to the end of your newborn session, then go and download that now at thephotographersociety.com, and follow me over on Instagram where you can send me a DM and ask me any questions you like, and check out behind the scenes there as well. So I'll catch you all next week for another episode. Until then, take care.